Lesson 8. Level B1, B1 plus. The conditionals. The second conditional. If it were warm right now. Story 1.
Charles, 35 years old, France. If it were warm right now, I would throw a garden party. I have just moved into a new house, and I haven't really had a chance to get to know my neighbors yet. They seem really friendly, so I would invite them all. I would bake strawberry muffins and make lemonade. If I wanted to prepare anything more, I would probably need to ask my brother Carl for help because he is a much better cook than I am. If he agreed, he would probably make his signature dish, chicken tortillas. If it were hot, I would set up a small swimming pool in the garden so that the neighbors' kids could have fun too. Perhaps I would organize some games for them as well. They would be excited to participate. If it suddenly started to rain, I wouldn't worry. We would continue the party in the house.
Story 2.
Hannah, 28 years old, USA. I have been feeling fed up with everything and everyone lately. I am totally snowed under at work. I have to complete 3 important projects before the end of the month. To make things worse, my partner hasn't been supportive at all. He is mad at me because we can't spend every afternoon together. If it were warm right now, I would probably pack my bags and go on a road trip without telling anyone. I know that it is not the most responsible thing to do, but I really need some time just for myself. If the weather were nice enough, I'd take a tent with me and camp under the stars. I've always wanted to experience a solo adventure like this. Maybe I would drive to Florida and finally learn how to surf. My mood would improve immediately if it were sunny and warm.
Story 3.
Mila, 41 years old, Slovenia. If it were warm right now, I would finally put all my sweaters and thick wool socks in the closet. I hate the cold, so I cannot wait for summer. If the temperature inside the house were really high, I would switch the air conditioner on. It would probably bother my husband because he has sensitive eyes, and the cold air makes them dry very quickly. If it bothered him a lot, I would switch it off and take a cold shower. Showering in cold water is really beneficial for your health. It helps your body protect you from diseases. After the shower, I would go to the garden, lie down in a hammock, and read a book. If it were very hot, I would freeze some fruit and make ice cream. Homemade ice cream is my daughter's favorite dessert, so she would be thrilled.
The end of Lesson 8.